Hello everyone. In last video we have learnt about structure of heart and its parts. In this video we are going to know about differences between the heart chambers. Differences between right and left auricles. Right auricle larger in size, left auricle smaller in size. Right auricle receives deoxygenated blood from superior and inferior vena cava. Left auricle receives the oxygenated blood through pulmonary vein. It receives the blood from body parts. It receives the blood from lungs. It supplies the blood to right ventricle. It supplies the blood to left ventricle. Differences between right and left ventricles. Right ventricle smaller in size, left ventricle larger in size. Pulmonary aorta originates from here. Aorta originates from here. It receives deoxygenated blood from right auricle. It receives oxygenated blood from left auricle. It supplies deoxygenated blood to lungs. It supplies oxygenated blood to the body parts. Right auriculoventricular aperture protected by tricuspid valve. Left auriculoventricular aperture protected by bicuspid valve or mitral valve. Human heart and valves. Valve name, location, blood flows from where to where. First one, tricuspid valve, location right auriculoventricular aperture. Blood flows from right auricle to right ventricle. Bicuspid valve, left auriculoventricular aperture. Blood flows from left auricle to left ventricle. Pulmonary valve, at starting point of pulmonary artery in right ventricle. Blood flows from right ventricle to pulmonary artery. Systemic valve, at starting point of aorta in left ventricle. Blood flows from left ventricle to aorta.